hanging with you, and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised.
Okay, so the first day of my university degree starts in 5 days. So I've taken it upon myself to spend the day trying to prepare for what the next year has to offer. Are we ready? Okay, let's go. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, if you have not already figured out by the title and the intro of this video, I'm going to be trying to do a get productive with me. We're going to try. I have literally just jumped in the shower and tried to make myself look a little bit more presentable because, let's be real, I was a bit of a slob. So that's why my hair's still wet. As I have probably already mentioned, I start my film and TV production course in 5 days. 5 days. Now, son, you don't need to start ruining my lighting, please. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am studying film and TV production. I'm going into my first year. And my course starts in 5 days. Actually less than that. Basically, the plan for today is to try and just prepare myself for what I have to face for the next week and kind of just look through all the work I've got to do, make any to-do lists, kind of organise my computer and just generally organise my life because she's not very organised. I am also battling, I don't really know what this is, chest infection, freshers flu, I'm not too sure. If you watched my previous video, which was me vlogging the first day of university, you will know I came home, hence the change of room. I came home from university for a few days just to try and really get myself better because I don't want to be ill for the first week of university. So yeah, that's why I sound a bit gross. I'm sick. So yeah, that is the plan for today. I'm going to try my hardest to be as productive as possible. We'll see how we go. The only annoying thing is I stupidly forgot the attachment for my tripod, so we're going to have to make this work with any angle I can try and get because, I mean, I have nowhere to put you. I have a feeling this is where you're gonna stay because I don't know where else to put you. So, as I've mentioned, the plan is to just kind of get like ready and prepared. So basically my university has a like online system where we can like contact our lecturers and tutors and things like that, but they also put on the majority of the information for every module, so that's helpful. And I'm basically just going to go through and download as much as possible and kind of organise it into a specific university folder on my laptop. That way it's there and I can like just dig through that if I'm in a lecture, or you know, it's all just kind of in a place where I will need it. So I'm just going to try and download as much of that as possible, and then I want to read through everything, all the lectures that I've got next week, which I will find my timetable and I'll tell you what I've got. Guess what she forgot to do? She forgot to tell you what she had next week. So I'm going to show you, well, I'm going to tell you if you want to know what my timetable looks like. So on Monday, as in like the first day. Okay, so on Monday, the first day, I have a lecture from 10 till 1, and that is a screenwriting lecture. And then I have a critical concept in film and television studies lecture from 4 till 6. I know. I have a professional practice, which is basically like learning about the industry, on Tuesday. I have nothing on Wednesday because that's my day off. On Thursday I have experimental film, another lecture from 12 till 3, and then I have an hour break, and then I have a sound and post-production lecture from 4 till 6. Don't know if you wanted to do that or not, but I thought I'd add it in. Why the hell not? And then I have Fridays off as well. So that's what my week looks like next week, which I might vlog. So let me know if you want that down below. So there you go. If you wanted to know what lectures I have next week, that's what it is. But then I'm just more prepared for when I go into those lectures. I know what's going to happen. I've made a to-do list. I'll show you. Okay, so I've made a to-do list. This is what I have to do. Download the module information, organise the folders onto my desktop, read any assessment folders, and note down any reading that I need to do.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe. Because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me. Always trying to find another reason to leave, but we sit at home, all alone. Hoping one day I'll never be known. Cause I'm stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top.
This is a little bit daunting, reading what I'm going to do for the next year. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit scary. Yeah. I think because it's things normally, well, I hope things will come across differently when it's the tutors that are actually like explaining it to us. But like just reading what I've got to do, I'm just a bit like, scary. I will show you what I've done so far. I think I've gotten through 2, so that's fun. I have all the modules in different folders, and then if we go into one of them, I have everything that's in the university online thing I've put into here, so that then I can go through and like see what information I need and all that kind of thing. I've also started doing it for this one, and I think that's it. I've got 1 in there, but yeah. That's basically what I'm doing. Oh look, you can see me in the mirror. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna continue doing that now for a bit, and then I shall chat to you.
Push it and go, you know we're trying our best to be a success. We're living our life trying to clean up the mess. Cause I'm stuck in this road, day in, day out. Thoughts come in, but nothing comes out. I'm still trying to feel on top. Wishing all the shit would just come to a stop. Trying to fill the holes in our souls, trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top. Wishing everything would just come to a stop.
I finished doing like what downloading or like screenshotting I need to do, and I've gone through and like read through everything. I'm now gonna go into my notebook / diary and write down any deadlines, because they've got deadlines written on here already. So I'm going to go through and like circle a day for being a deadline date. Obviously they're all quite far in the future anyway, like most of them are not until like December, which is another like 2 months away, so that's fine. What's this piece of hair doing? And then a lot of stuff is still in semester 2, which is not until like April kind of time. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. My AirPods died, so they're gonna charge for a bit. That's kind of everything done now. I don't really know what else to do today. Yeah, we're done. That is everything I needed to do, I think. If you're new here and have never come across my channel before, be sure to subscribe. It is free. Click that button down below. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Thanks a bunch. Oh, it's raining. That's fun. All right. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Goodbye.